Inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli ivume isicelo sabameli bakaZuma sokufuna kuhlehlela leli cala.
The draft order marked X is made an order of court.
As it pleases the court, my lord.
Abameli bakaZuma bafuna kulindwe isinqumo esicelweni esafakwa uRamaphosa sokufuna inkantolo inqume ukuthi amasamanisi okushushiswa kwakhe ngasese awekho emthethweni futhi awahambisani nomthethosisekelo wezwe.
From a point of view, my lord, to allow the space for the judgment, we thought if it pleases your lordship, we would ask for a longish postponement so that at the next appearance, of course, we'll also report back to the court and take it from there.
Baphinde bakhala nangokushaya ngolonwabo kwaleli cala.
There has been a pattern of, I don't know what to call it, whether it's a go slow or a sabotage. Every time this matter has to sit here, we have to be struggling for days to have it placed on the roll, which is surprising because it was postponed to a particular date. It might be that it's a matter that we should raise with the registrars rather than your lordship, but it was my instruction is just to raise it, my lord.
Lolu daba lizobuyela enkantolo mhla zingamashumi amabili nesishagalolunye kuNcwaba.